Hi guys, I'm up here in Norway, testing out my lavalier microphone from RØDE. I wanted to get some sound where I don't have it inside the helmet, where I get some good exhaust sound. So I wanted to try it out on my jacket. The way that works best for me is to put it, you have this clip right here, then you clip it on the back, and then you tuck the wire inside the jacket and put it in the media mod up here. The thing that didn't work so well for me was put it in the pocket. Creates too much wind sound in my opinion, so it was best for me to have it behind my back. You don't really feel it, but when you hit some bumps on the road, it kind of makes a little sound. But if you're on a flat road, it works really great in my opinion. But I'm gonna put in some clips here so you guys can see how it works out. Alright guys, so from the audio and the videos, you can clearly tell that it's a much better option to have it on your back than in your pocket. It simply creates too much wind noise. It's easy to clip on the back if you have this little clip. The lavalier microphone comes with it. I don't know about DJI and all the other microphones you can get. But other than that, it's pretty easy to tuck in the wire in the jacket and plug it into the media mod. And then you should be pretty good set to get some good audio from your exhaust. If you like the video, like it, and remember to subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see on the channel. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Would you look at this area? It's crazy.